Good morning student. We have started our new lesson for revision, that is plant world. In that before 2 sessions we have learned about what are the different types of plants, parts of plants, different system, okay, their functions. Now in this session we will be learning about seeds and the uses of plants. Okay, now what is seeds? We all know seeds contain baby plant in them. If you are going to sow the seeds, we will be having a same kind of plant, right? So therefore the seed contain baby plants in them. The seed grow into a newly plant when it get enough water, air and warmth. When the seed is going to grow, we are having seeds like groundnut seed stored at our home, right? But they are not going to grow in that particular jar in which we have stored it, right? When they are going to grow, when we are going to put it into the soil, where the soil is having proper moisture, proper warmth and water, okay, at that time it will grow, even though it requires air to grow. Okay, a seed germinate and grow into a seedling. As we all know, if you are going to put seed into soil, after some time what happen, it will grow, right? It will grow into seedling. Seedling are very small baby plant. When after the seedling grows into a new plant, right, the seedling will grow into a new plant. Many seeds such as peanuts, maize and beans are eaten as food. We all know we love to eat peanuts, right, maize for making flour and all. Even though beans, we are eating it. So these are the uses of seeds. Now there are certain seeds, okay, that we are going to learn in further, but now we will be learning a hybrid. Hybrid means a new plant which is not grown by the nature, okay, which is not prepared by the nature. We people are making it. Now when the hybridization is a technique of combining two different types of plants and making a new one with some of the desirable feature. Now if you say why teacher, why we need to do hybridization? If you have observed, there are so many small tomatoes are there, right? Suppose small tomatoes in large quantity, okay, in large quantity they are growing in one plant. But if you are going to observe another plant, there are very few tomatoes, okay, very few tomatoes, but the size is very large, right? The size is very large. So therefore what will happen, we want large tomato in so many quantity. So this is what our desire. This is what a desire is, what a fruit, a large fruit, right, but in so many quantity. So this is our feature. We want to get this feature in a plant, that plant should grow so many fruits, so many potato, so many tomato of large size, right? So we are going to combine that particular two plants, like a plant with so many fruits but of small size, and with the plant of few fruits with large size. Okay, we have to combine these two and then we will be getting a plant with so many fruits of large size. So this is called as hybridization. We have made new plant, right, which was not there by the nature, we had prepared it. So therefore they are called as hybridization. Okay, two new plants made from two different parent plants are called hybrids. Okay, this is we have made hybrid. Now there are certain there are certain hybrids which had been prepared by the people. Now if you are going to see tayberry, now tayberry is what, is a hybridization between raspberry and blackberry, okay, and they have combined it into a tayberry. Even though tomato is a hybrid between tomato and potato. Cabbage is the hybridization between radish and cabbage. Even though plot is the hybrid between plum and apricot. Okay, so these are the different varieties of hybrid which we had been prepared by the people. Even though if you are going to